Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be exploring Halong Bay and Tràng An. Let's go. On the way to Halong Bay, we visited the pearl factory where they show us the process of extracting the pearl, and also here we were able to purchase pearl. We booked the Halong Bay Cruise through our hotel booking guide. The cruise location was packed with tourists, but we had our guide who guided us to our boat. The cruise ship was very beautiful. It was also packed with tourists. Buffet lunch was included in the cruise.
Third, everybody, today eat yogurt, include the lunch. So everybody here we have
Our journey begins aboard a cruise gliding through the UNESCO World Heritage Site, Halong Bay. Surrounded by thousands of limestone casts, this is a view that feels straight out of a painting. The first step from our cruise was TiTop Island. There was a short hike, but we planned not to go all the way to the top because it was very sunny and it was very hot. We just enjoyed the view. There was a statue and there were a lot of tourists here. There was a place to swim, and we saw a lot of people having a dip in this water. The water was not as clear as it seemed in other videos what we'd seen, but it was a wonderful cruise. There were options to do kayaking and also river rafting, but we preferred just smooth sailing on the boat. The boatsmen were really amazing the way they rowed the boat in between the caves and other boats. After TiTop Island, we visited the Sung Sot Cave, and it is also called the Surprise Cave. It had sparkling stones inside, and the rock formations were very unique. The caves were absolutely amazing. I had not seen anything like this. We never imagined it to be so deep. It was a bit humid inside the cave, but it was worth seeing. The cruise was really relaxing and we enjoyed it a lot. After the Halong Bay Cruise day trip, we had also booked for a Tràng An day trip. Our first stop is the temple dedicated to King Đinh and King Le Dai Han, great rulers of Vietnam's ancient dynasty. The historic architecture set against a dramatic mountain backdrop offers a deep sense of history and culture. Shout out to our guide Miss Cherry. She was very enthusiastic and showed us around the entire day.
is the place where people worship a particular one who normally have.
These temples were a peaceful place, and we also got to see a lot of fishes. Next, we gently drift through Tràng An's cave system, passing under low ceilings and natural rock arches. Every twist of the river feels like a journey into another world. Tràng An was really beautiful. Some of the caves were never ending. It was about 100 to 150 meters deep. We were passing below the mountains and coming out for a beautiful view. We saw temples in between, and also there was the Gorilla Mountain, and the place was really very beautiful. After the Caves of Tràng An, we went to Hang Múa Viewpoint. Here there is a huge viewpoint for the most breathtaking view of Ninh Bình. Ninh Bình is the province where Tràng An and Hang Múa are from. From the top, the landscape of winding rivers, rice fields, and the karst mountains unfolds before us. It is a beautiful scene that will stay in your memory forever. We were lucky to be there during the Lotus blossom. We were able to witness a large area spanning full of lotus blossom, a symbol of purity in Vietnamese culture. Seeing the lotus fields in full bloom is a truly magical sight and the perfect way to close our adventure. Thank you guys for watching the video. In our next video, we'll be traveling to Da Nang. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.